Do you want to raise funds and bootstrap liquidity on the ApeSwap decentralized exchange for your project? Do you want your token to be prioritized for listing on ApeSwap? Then you are at the right place. I'm Tim, and today I will guide you through the process of launching a SelfServe Initial Ape Offering. First of all, it is worth noting that projects launched via SS-IAO are not officially endorsed by ApeSwap, so we will not provide marketing support leading up to the launch via SS-IAO. But launch on ApeSwap, show your commitment to the jungle, pass our due diligence to get listed, and we will support you. So, begin by clicking IAO and selecting SelfServe. From there, you can click Create. Now, paste the token contract of the token you will be offering, and select what token you would like to use to raise funds, whether wrapped BNB or BUSD. From there, input the following information. First, how many tokens you plan to sell in the offering. This does not include tokens for liquidity, so you need to also take into account how much initial liquidity you want and how many tokens will be allocated towards liquidity. Second, the offering price. This will then auto-populate the hard cap box by multiplying the tokens you plan to sell by the offering price. Then, the fund limit amount that any wallet can commit. A user will not be able to commit more than this amount. After this, the soft cap on the raise. This amount must be committed for the raise to be completed. Finally, in the bottom checkbox, decide if you want to burn remaining tokens or have them sent back to your wallet in the event that the soft cap is met, but the hard cap is not. Next, decide on when you want to start your raise and when you want to end it. One thing worth noting is that once your SS-IAO is deployed and confirmed, the earliest it can go live is 10 days from the confirmation. The main reason for this is to allow RugDoc ample time to review and screen your token, and to give all users ample time to DYOR. Finally, select the amount of funds raised you would like to lock and add as initial liquidity upon completion of the raise. This includes selecting percentage of funds raised to be used for liquidity. For example, if you set a hard cap of 100 BNB, and you decide to select 50% as your post-raise liquidity, 50 BNB will be paired with unsold tokens and locked as initial liquidity on ApeSwap. The listing price. For reference, ApeSwap's IAOs always list at offering price, but you are free to list above or below offering price. How long you will lock liquidity for. Liquidity must be locked for a minimum of 6 months. Locking liquidity for at least 12 months is considered best practice. From here, you will get a breakdown of your tokenomics and the funds you are raising. Finally, add all the pertinent information about your project. Provide links to your website, docs, Twitter, Telegram, Medium, a pitch on your project and your project's logo. Approve the address, and then create your SS-IAO. Easy as that, you now have your token offering ready to go. Remember, you will be providing tokens for the sale, and all of those tokens will be sold. Then, you will provide additional tokens to be paired with raised funds to serve as initial liquidity. SS-IAOs cost 10 BNB to set up. Please ensure that all information is correct before deploying. ApeSwap will not be able to refund deployed SS-IAOs. If you elect to use this platform, you are indicating that you fully understand the risks and requirements. Now that you are done setting up your SS-IAO, you must put in a request to review your token with RugDoc. To get it, go to the RugDoc Telegram by clicking the link in the description and request a token review. There are also DYOR badges you can earn to elevate your raise and show that you prioritize safety and security. To learn more about them, click the link in the description or watch our How to Participate in an SS-IAO video, clicking the top right pop-up. Don't forget to like, comment, share on social media, and subscribe if you learned something, so that you don't miss the next videos.